In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared folder in OneDrive. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive in and explore each step clearly so you can share your files effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you're not signed in already, head over to the Microsoft website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, your dashboard will appear, putting all your Microsoft tools at your fingertips. From the dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the Apps Launcher. It's a small grid icon in the upper left of your screen. Clicking this will display a list of all the Microsoft apps available to you, including OneDrive, which is what we're looking for in this video. Now that you've opened the Apps Launcher, find and click on OneDrive. This will redirect you to your OneDrive account where you can manage and store your files securely. Here's where the magic happens. Once you're in OneDrive, look towards the top of the page for the Create or Upload button. Click on this button and you'll see several options pop up. Select the folder option to begin the process of creating a new folder. Give your folder a name that's relevant to what you plan to store in it. This makes it easier to keep organized, especially if you manage a lot of files. After naming your folder, all you need to do is click the Create button. Now you have a new folder, but it's not shared yet. To make it accessible to others, navigate to My Files. Find your newly created folder there and click on it to select it. Just above your list of files, you'll notice a few options appear. Click on Share. Sharing a folder is where collaboration can really begin. In the sharing interface, you'll be prompted to add the email address of the person you want to share the folder with. It's a simple form to fill out and helps ensure you're sharing the folder with the correct recipient. Once you've entered an email address, you'll be given the option to click on the pencil icon, which allows you to adjust the permissions of the shared folder. By default, it might be set to Can View, but if you want others to be able to edit the files inside, you'll want to click Can Edit. After setting the permissions, you have two choices. You can either copy the link to distribute it via another platform, or you can click Send to shoot off a quick email with the sharing link included. And just like that, your folder is now shared, allowing the recipient to access the valuable files you've stored inside. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a folder in OneDrive. With these steps, collaborating and sharing resources with others has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.